I know you can't really see me right now, but I have to talk to my peeps. I probably look real black right now. You just see a shirt talking or something. But it's okay. Oh, there's light. Now you can see me. My name is Butter Wong. Yes, Butter Wong is cool. I make butter tacos, I think. Yeah. I don't know. What do I do?
Tell him something else.
One time? I don't know. No, I was not at band camp, but I did stick a flute in my pussy, but it was at home. Okay. Okay, let me tell you a serious story.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, but...
Quit talking about my pussy. Okay, back to us.
Bangkok with his pussy.
I Bangkoked a lot of pussy bang cockers. Okay.
Wow.
Back to a serious story. This is very serious. I was walking down the street, and I saw a little birdie, and it was dead. It was dead. And I saw it too quiet. Then I realized I was the fucking one that rang it over. Shit! True story. I think. Was it?
Did you even see his face?
Was it two?
I guess.
Sorry, I looked at my niece over here. See right there. Okay. She had a big mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, you do too.
Ah! Don't mind the little bug. He gay. Okay. Haiti did lick me. Back to the bird. Was I talking about bird?
Yeah, you're talking about a bird.
I talked about bird. Back to the fucking bird. He was dead, I think. Was he dead?
Yes.
He was dead. I ran him over. I ran. No. Yeah. What did I do? We don't know. It was a fucking dead bird, I think. Or was it a squirrel?
It's your mustache.
You see whatever I show you. Okay.
Let you hold it for him.
Give me.
Okay, my buddy, him. Oh yeah, he right here. You saw his eyeball for a minute. But anyway, he'll hold camera now. That's Sydney. He hold camera. She don't. He hold camera.
Okay, give me camera.
Okay.
I have a camera now. See?
Let me tell you about dead bird or squirrel or something. What was it?
It was a bird.
It was a bird.
It was a bird.
It was
It was a bird.
No, it was a girl.
No bird.
What?
Of a bird.
Well, you know what it is from the beginning of the video. That's what it was. Wasn't it?
I don't know.
She don't know. Cause she's stupid.
She wasn't here. She wasn't here.
Her mama dropped
I don't
on
get
her,
it.
Her mama dropped on her big head like that big.
The word. The birder.
Okay,
the
not
bird
that
is
big.
the word. Hi.
And that thought stupid. Family Guy
Bird.
killed it. Okay.
Bird is the word. The bird. Why did you?
What you? That's the simplest song ever, and you fuck it up.
I know.
God damn. Back to my toy. Oh, I did kill you. I think Cassie farted and she moved, so it looked like I did it. Who farted, Sydney?
Cassie did.
I told you.
No, I did not.
Yeah, that made you look so guilty.
I told you I don't fart. When I was a little kid, I got hit by a truck and it cut my fart hose off. So I don't fart no more.
You rode the truck.
What, Mama?
He rode the truck without a diaper on.
We
When
can
he was
watch
a
it
little-
today.
So it cut off his. Yeah, you heard what he said.
Later today?
Wieners, weenies, weenies.
What did they do?
There's a red thing over in the grass. It's like right there. You see it? It glows. It's weird. It's cool.
Hey, this is my show and you're not in it for like 20 minutes. Son of a bitch.
What?
You took all my fucking
Okay,
thing.
why don't you tell them what your favorite color is?
I don't know. It's this color.
Red.
Yeah. I like red because every time I punch you in the face, the red shit comes out and fucking awesome. So it's red.
And when you go into a rage, what color do you see?
I see red. My car red.
The light on the camera is red.
The light on the camera red. My buddy red. My pee-pee red.
Oh God!
Everything red. I like red. That bird after I ran it over red. or a score or whatever it was. It went. It went now. Okay, you went?
Yes.
Cat don't know what to say because it's stupid.
So stupid.
See? She's so bad. Now she's tongue away because she's embarrassed. See? It's funny. I'm fucking red. Do you look at me now? Look at my red buddy now. See?
Who has an ugly ass smile?
He look cute from
I'm
a
ugly
distance.
either way, so no matter what, yeah, no.
Yeah, but if you see him like 5 miles away, you wouldn't want to do him. But just don't go get close because you don't want to do him no more. It will. I know.
Is that what you do?
No, I don't do him.
It's okay if you do.
I don't.
Okay.
I do.
No.
I do girls that are not wet.
With big bushes?
Yeah.
Big bush.
No. What? No bush.
Your ex?
Yeah, big bush.
Yeah.
A little bird came out of it, and I think that's when I ran over. Okay, the end of the episode today. Bye bye.